So good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, my dear Chintos. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. So vanakkam. So I welcome you all for yet another cracking session. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது part 3 of straight lines. Okay. So today's session is going to be very important because from today's class, so இன்னைக்கு நான் discuss பண்ண போற கான்செப்ட்ல இருந்து நிறைய questions already JEE ல கேட்டாங்கடா and they will be asking you in the future as well. ஓகேவா? So futureலயும் நிறைய questions வந்துரும். Orthocenter, circumcenter, centroid, okay, and in-center, okay, and there will be a lot of questions based on basics of triangles, basics of quadrilateral, image, foot of perpendicular distance, collinear, concurrency of the lines in okay ba. So all this we will be discussing in today's class, okay, and before getting into the session I want to tell you one thing da. So in JEE Vaathi, நம்மளோட Vedantu JEE Vaathi channel free crash course, so we are offering free crash course, so please do share this news to all the friends, to all of your friends, those who are in needy, okay, யாருக்கு see free JEE coaching வேணுமோ please do share this content with them da. So this will be very useful for them. In the time la இந்த மாதிரி content by the great teachers will be really it's a great opportunity for you and a beautiful opportunity for upcoming January 2027 attempt. சரியா? So அது வேணும்னா first you guys have to click on the link given in the description. In the video கீழ description link will be there. And the link click பண்ணா it will be straight away taking you to this part. Are you getting the point? Sir, இப்போ இந்த link click பண்ணா directly it will be taking you guys to this dashboard. So and if you click on buy now by giving your mobile number and password, so you will be enrolled for this. Please do subscribe, and do subscribe in the sense you have to subscribe Vedantu JEE Vaathi channel da to get all this. Okay, and in this you have a lot of features that live classes will be there, live quizzes will be there, 24/7 doubt clarification by Vedai. Are you getting the point? And also exams, okay, weekend batch exams, Sundays you can write your exams. Are you getting the point? If you miss your test for some reason, you can reattempt the test. So all these beautiful options you have. So these are the major options. These are the major factors why you people have to subscribe the JEE Vaathi channel and enroll for this free crash course. Right, Tambi? For 0 rupees, nobody is gonna give you this da. Okay. So please make sure that you are getting this. And now without any delay, let's get into the show now. So before that, I just want to read your chart. Just a minute. Wait. I'll just drag this down. ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் தான். Chintu. Yes sir. இங்க வந்துச்சு சார். சார் இப்போ yes. Yes. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, Lokesh, Rushwant, Ashok. Good evening, da. Good evening, da. You want me to sing the song? Sing a song, sir. Day, Tambi, we are coming here to study, man. No singing and all, okay? Sariya. Rushwant, let's finish this today. Let's see how far we can do this. Arambiklama. Shall we begin? Yes. Hi, Janesh. Hi. Good to see you, Janesh. Good to see you, Janesh. Good evening, da. Good evening. Okay. So first, let us start with a beautiful point, guys. So you might have studied one important point, okay? Midpoint theorem. How many of you know midpoint theorem for your class 10th? Okay, wow. How many of you know midpoint theorem, da? Okay. How many of you know midpoint theorem? Tell me. Midpoint theorem. How many of you know, Rachintu? Midpoint theorem. What do you mean by midpoint theorem? Yes. Listen to the class. If I am talking about a triangle, let's say this is one triangle. Okay. This is one triangle. The triangle name is this A, this B, this C. Are you getting the point? Yes, sir. Sir, now For example, if I'm talking about these two midpoints, check, let's say the D, the E. Okay, here DE will be definitely parallel to BC. Okay, point number one. Point number two, now DE will be is equal to half of the BC. Do you agree with my point? DE will be half of the BC. Yes or no? Can you see the board, everyone? Are you getting the point or not? Tell me, guys. Are you all getting the point? Here DE will be definitely parallel to BC. Okay, and DE will be half of the BC. Cool? Cool or not? Yes, sir. Sir, what cool, sir? Are you okay with this definition or not? Yes, sir. Absolutely yes. Guys, this is a midpoint theorem you might have studied in your class, right? Sir, next part, we'll do one question. We'll do one question based on the results we have studied yesterday. Guys, we have seen few important results. Okay, median altitude angle bisector okay, perpendicular bisector so in fact centroid, orthocenter and incenter and what circumcenter. So we have discussed all this. Guys, in any question, the straight lines la namalukku or question solve pananona, namalukku first nature of the triangle check pananona. Okay, wow. So whenever we are doing, listen the class, whenever we solve okay questions related to centers of triangle, okay, always check the following. What we need to check whenever we are solving the questions related to center of the triangle, we always have to check these 4 points. 4 points means the first point in a sir. First point in a check the nature of the triangle. Okay, wow. Check the nature of the triangle. First, nature of the triangle. Nature of the triangle means what, sir? What do you mean by nature of the triangle, sir? Nature of the triangle, what do I mean? Nature of the triangle means you check whether it is an equilateral triangle. Okay, wow. That equilateral triangle, eppadi? Equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle. Okay, wow. Isosceles triangle or scalene triangle. Okay, wow. Are you getting the point? What kind of triangle is that? Isosceles equilateral triangle and scalene triangle. What kind of triangle is that? Neenga check pananuda. Okay, wow. And second point okay, wow. Check the distance. Check the distance. Okay, wow. Or you can say that a right angle triangle. You need to check it is right angle triangle or not. Okay, wow. We'll come to know the nature of the triangle. Okay, wow. How do we check that? Equilateral triangle, all sides should be equal. Okay, isosceles means 2 sides will be equal. Right angle triangle means what? You know that Pythagoras theorem follow agano. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Okay, wow. Scalene triangle means what? All different. Okay, wow. Check the distance. Check the distance. Second point, check the distance of the vertices from the origin. Very important point, listen the class. From the origin. Okay, wow. So nature of the triangle check pananu, and also check the distance of all the vertices from the origin of all the vertices. Okay, wow. All the vertices, distance of all the vertices from the origin. Distance of all the vertices from the origin. Super, sir. Sir, what does it mean? Sir, what do you mean by this? Sir, you wrote this. You wrote a meaning in a sir. I'll discuss in the question. Okay, wow. Or question solve panna namakku idea vandona. In the question. We'll do this question. Not this question. Wait. Not this question. Okay, we will do that. We'll do that. Pare. Everyone, we'll do this question. Pare. Everyone. Everybody look at the board. Everybody look at the board. Sir, first, neenga pathina, A is given to us. Okay, wow. A vertex is given to us this. Array into the A, the B, and the C, sir. Be the vertices of triangle ABC, and this guy. Okay, if this, what is this? The which of the following is not correct? I think this is the midpoint. Okay, wow. If the midpoint of the hypotenuse, guys, listen to the class, everyone. What they have given here? I think this should be what? If the circumcenter, this should be circumcenter. Question level, one thing is missing. If circumcenter, okay, wow. The circumcenter is, if the circumcenter is this, then which of the following is not correct in the above triangle ABC? Okay, wow. If the circumcenter is 5 comma alpha by 4, then which of the following is not correct? Sir, correct everybody listen to the class. Here A and C vertex parda. Vertex A and vertex C parda. Both points y coordinate one the -2. A point or y coordinate and C point or y coordinate one the -2. So -2 na they are lying on the x-axis. They are lying on x-axis. Super, sir. So if they are lying on x-axis, then what do I do? Tell me. They are lying on x-axis. And tell me these 2 points or y coordinate same. Then these 2 guys are lying on y-axis. So that is a realization. Everybody look at the board, guys. So let me draw the triangle over here. Yes or no? Everybody look at the board. Clear? Sir, this is how the triangle looks like. This is A point. What is that? Alpha comma -2, let's say. It is C point, obviously, which is alpha by 4 comma -2. And this is B point, obviously, which is alpha comma 6. Correct or not? Tell me. B point or x coordinate and A point or x coordinate are same. So they should lie on y-axis. Y coordinate same, they are lying on x-axis. Super, sir. Sir, this is right. Obviously, sir, how do you know that this is a right angle triangle? Obviously, Babu, these 2 are lying on y-axis and these 2 guys are what, lying on x-axis. Upper right angle triangle the form Pathuko. Okay, wow. Sir, now in right angle triangle, this is the, in right angle triangle, 90 degrees angle form orthocenter, but we are not talking about orthocenter here. So now discuss pandra, center in circumcenter. So we are talking about circumcenter. So circumcenter is what? In right angle triangle, circumcenter is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. We discussed this in the last class. Okay, wow. So this is going to be what? The midpoint, right? Midpoint is what basically, let's say the D point. Let's say the D point. D point is what, sir? 5 comma alpha by 4. Okay, wow. D point is what? The midpoint. Sir, D point and when I said midpoint, we denote with M, sir. No problem. Pare. M is the midpoint of BC, right? So 5 is equal to what? Alpha by 4 plus alpha by 2, right? Super, sir. Are you getting the point? Next. In our case, next minus. Okay, wow. Wait. 5 is equal to what? Alpha by 4 plus alpha. Correct only. Yes or no? Then 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 by 2. 6 minus 2 by 2 is equal to alpha by 4, sir. Super. Sir, sir, 4 by 2, which is 2. Okay, well, alpha is equal to 8, sir. I'm getting alpha value 8. Alpha value 8 we are getting. Okay, vapo idivena. Even you solve this, you will get alpha value 8 only. If alpha value 8 and there is a C point in there, C point is going to be what? 8 by 2, which is 2 comma minus 2. A point in there, what is A point is going to be? A point is going to be 8 comma 2, sir. 8 comma minus 2. Super. And then B point is going to be what? 8 comma 6. Super. Sir, the area of this triangle ABC is 24, they are saying. We need to verify the options. Area of the triangle ABC is 24 or not, we need to check. Okay, wow. Area of the triangle, check half. I'm checking option A. Okay, wow. Area of the triangle ABC is what? Half into base. What is the distance between these two? Tell me. 2 to 8. 2 and the 8 distance is 6. Okay, what is the height distance? Minus 2 to 6, so 8 distance. So 2 1s, 2 4s. So I am getting area as 24. This is the correct option. They are asking us to find out which of the following option is not correct. Appo A option is correct now. So A option cannot be your answer. Correct or da? Yes or no? Super. So option A is correct. In fact, B option and da. Perimeter is 25. Perimeter means what? Da? Sum of all the sides, right? So this side is what basically? This side is 6. This side is what is this side? Yes or no? This side is 8. Okay, what is this side is going to be? This side is going to be what? Okay, 8. So 10. Correct or not? Sum of all the sides. Perimeter is what? Perimeter. Perimeter is what? Sum of all the sides. 10 plus 18. 18 plus 6. 24. Perimeter I am getting 24, but they have given 25. Option B is wrong. So B for balle balle should be the right answer. In the option wrong, that's the answer. Because they are saying which of the following option is not correct. Okay, sir, circumradius will do it, sir. Circumradius they are asking. Circumradius formula, sir. ABC by 4 delta. We know this is circumradius means circumcircular radius. Okay, ABC by 4 delta. Pari. R is equal to what? ABC by 4 delta. Sir, what is A? A means what? A means what? In the side, opposite side. Vertex A opposite side is 10. B is what, sir? B opposite side 6. Okay, C opposite side is 8 divided by 4 into delta. Delta means what? Area of the triangle. Okay, sir, this solve pannunga. This solve panna enna varum sir? 3 3 1s, 3 2s, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 5s. I'm getting 5. I'm getting 5. So they also given 5. They also have given 5. So circumradius is 5 we are getting. So option C also cannot be the answer because we are getting that right answer. Okay, we are getting option C as right. Next, option D. Option D in radius formula, sir. Delta by S. Delta by S. So delta B is what, sir? S means what, sir? Delta means area of the triangle, sir. And S means what? Some semi-perimeter. So perimeter is what, sir? Basically, perimeter is basically 24 vandirchira. 24 half enna 12. Sorry, this solve panna namalku 2. Idiyum correct vandirchira. So option A is right. Option B is wrong. So B option should be the right answer. Option C correct. D is also correct. So B is wrong. So B is the answer. Purida? Yes or no? Very good, sir. Now we will go forward. We will go forward to understand the details. Yes. Clear? Sir, we already discussed procedure to find out orthocenter and circumcenter. Procedure to find out orthocenter and circumcenter. Guys, unakku circumcenter, orthocenter, centroid and in-center find out pandradhukku we always have to check the nature of the triangle. Okay, isosceles, right angular, scalene triangular, okay, equilateral triangular, indha mari triangle check pannanu. And also we need to take the distance of all the vertices from the origin. Okay, the distance equal to from the origin, distance of all the vertices from the origin equal aichina circumcenter aidu. Yes, sir. And circumcenter is the only point which will be in an equal distance from all the vertices. Yesterday I have taught you that. Okay, Pari. Everybody look at the board. Everybody look at the board. In triangle ABC, the vertices this and this. Then it's orthocenter. Guys, orthocenter, how do you find out? Orthocenter means what basically? Point of intersection of altitudes. Sir, backlogs chapters all coaching model or directly move to PYQ. Backlog irinda unakku concepts clear irinda directly you do last 5 years PYQs. That is more than enough. Okay, not really Nithilan. Nithilan not required. Nithilan, you don't have to do that. It's fine. That is not in the syllabus though. Okay, that is not in the syllabus though. It's fine. Okay, Pari, what I need to do now? Tell me here. We need to find out the point of intersection of altitudes. Point of intersection of altitudes we need to find out. Sir, firstly I'll do one thing. Suresh sir enna sonna the first nature of the triangle check pannu. Check nature of the triangle enna sir. Okay, let us check the nature of the triangle. A, the B, this C. Okay, minus 1 comma 7 and minus 7 comma 1 and then 5 comma minus 5. Sir, nature of the triangle check pandradhukku first you check what is AB here. What is AB da? idu minus idi 36 36 plus 72 and what is this? Definitely this is 72 and 24 and no guys, all the sides are not equal. This side is not equal to this side, this side is not equal to this side, AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA, so definitely this is a scalene triangle. Okay, wow. Sir, now I will do one thing, sir. Now let me find out the distance of all the vertices from the origin. Okay, wow. Let me find out the distance of all the points from the origin. Okay, wow. In the distance and arrow, in the distance and arrow, in the distance and arrow. What is this distance, guys? Tell me here. What is this distance is going to be? Because for 0 to distance and a 40, check. This is what? OA, here OB, OC. If you check that properly, we are getting root 50. Check. How much? 49 plus or root 50, 49 plus 150, 25 plus 25, root 50. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. Orthocenter, not orthocenter, sorry. Circumcenter is the only point in a triangle which will be in an equal distance from all the vertices. Check. O is equal distance from A, O is equal distance from B, O is equal distance from C also. Now, you tell me OA, OB, OC all are what basically? These all are what? These all are what? This is root 50 is what basically? OA, OB, OC are what basically? They are equal distances. So, O should be what? Therefore, O 0, 0 should be what? The circumcenter. Okay, wow. Circumcenter, sir. If origin is circumcenter, circumcenter is this. Sir, in a doubt, sir. In a doubt, sir. So, basically, if you see this correctly, what is this distance? What is this distance? What is this distance? Circumcenter I got. Now, how am I going to do? Sir, how to find log, cos, sine value by using logbook? Are Chintu, that how do you use your logbook? Your chemistry master will teach. Don't worry about it. Sir, yeah. Are you getting the point or not? Super, sir. Sir, sir, I got the circumcenter, right? We know that. Listen to the class. We know that. What we know? Honorable governor. Honorable governor means what, sir? H means orthocenter. Orthocenter, let's say this small a comma small b. Okay, wow. Let's say this is what? P comma Q. Orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter. Centroid will divide orthocenter and circumcenter. Centroid will divide a line segment joining orthocenter and circumcenter in 2:1 ratio. We know this. Yesterday I told you already. Circumcenter and orthocenter joint our line will be divided in 2:1 ratio by centroid. Okay, what is centroid? So centroid means what? -1 plus -1, -8 plus 5, -3/3, so -1. Super. Centroid எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்டா? Centroid, how do you find out? Tell me centroid. -1 -7 plus 5/3. Okay, wow. 7 plus 1 minus 5/3. What is this? -8. So -8 minus 3/3 1 and 8 minus 3/3 is 1. So I'm getting -1 comma 1. Okay, orthocenter is what basically? Or P comma Q. Centroid is this. Circumcenter is origin. Kandipa origin. Yes or no? Now can't you find out orthocenter? Very easily you can find out. How do you find out? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n is equal to -1. Super. 2 into 0. Hello people. Va. Yes. P is equal to 3, sir. Q is equal to 3, sir. -3, sir. P is -3 and Q is what? 3. So therefore H, which is P comma Q, is equal to -3 comma 3. -3 comma 3 is answer. -3 comma 3. C for Chintu wala is the right answer. C for Chintu wala is the right answer. You see this. C for Chintu wala is the right answer. Any doubt or Chintu? Purida? Guys, kandipa ipdi check pannanoda. Ipdi check pannada your answer will be kind of short. Okay, you can find out the answer very easily. Purida? Sir, what is another method, sir? What is the method 2? This is method 1, sir, basically. This is method 1. Method 2 is what? You find out the altitudes. Any two altitudes you find out, and then we'll find out, point of intersection of the two altitudes. So method 2 teach pannanga, sir. Method 2 sir. What is method 2? Guys, I will give a hint. You need to do that. I will give a hint. You need to do that. ஓகேவா, இது A, இது B, right, and this C. What is A da? -1 7 -7 1 -1 comma 7 -7 comma 1 5 comma -5. Okay, yes or no? Sir, we need to find out this altitude. This is a perpendicular. Okay, well, let's say the D. Let's say the altitude the E. Okay, wow. Equation of AD. AD, how do you find out? Tell me. Y minus y1 is equal to slope of AD. Slope of AD enna? First, we'll find out slope of BC da. Slope of BC enna da? Y2 minus y1 minus 6. X2 minus x1 by 12. So minus 1 by 2 is the slope of ABC. Then slope of AD enna? Slope of AD enna? Idhukku reciprocal with opposite sign. So 2. Sir, AD what equation enna? Y minus y1 is equal to 2 into x minus x1. This is equation. Next, super ana, super A, super A. Next, equation of what da? Equation of B will find out. B passing through point na y minus y1 is equal to slope. B what a slope enna will find out AC what a slope first. Slope of AC enna? Slope of AC enna, tell me. Slope of AC da, AC y2 minus y1 minus 12. Minus 12 by 6, which is minus 2. Okay, well, x2 minus x1, right? Sir, minus 2, minus 2. Slope of AC is minus 2. Then slope of B is kandipa opposite sign with reciprocation, right? So 1 by 2. Super, sir. X minus x1. Okay, wow. Sir, in the first equation, so second equation. So POI of 1 and 2 will still give you minus 3 and 3. Check. Minus 3 and 3. This is method 2, sir. This is method number 2. Purida. Are you all clear, Rachintu? Minus 3 comma 3 put pari. Sir, 3 minus 1 2. Check. 2 is equal to 1 trick. Satisfying. 100% correct. Sir, this is how we do this kind of questions. Yes or no? Tell me. Any doubts here? Any doubts? Yes, very good, Lokesh. Yes, next question, guys. Next question. Everybody should do this question. Everyone, quick. Sir, everyone. Hello. Sir, let the centroid of an equilateral triangle. Nature of the triangle find out panna thevaleda. In the question, the equilateral triangle I mentioned pannangada. So this is an equilateral triangle. So let me take an equilateral triangle. Sir, equilateral triangles. Super ana, super A, super pari. Okay, let's say the A, the B, the C. Equilateral triangle. Centroid of the equilateral triangle is what origin basically? Is centroid. Super, sir. Okay, one of the sides of the equilateral triangle be along the straight line this. Let's say one of the side is this. Super na? If R, capital R and small r be the radius of circle and incircle respectively of triangle ABC, then capital R plus small r na. This is very good question. Equilateral triangle means what da pari? Sir, equilateral, see, this is the circle inside the triangle, you call that as a incircle, and the incircle or radius is what? In radius. I'm denoting with the small r. Okay, wow. In fact, you don't need this circle over here. Let me eliminate. Okay, wow. I don't need this circle here, Pari. So this is what now? What is small r? So this distance is what? What is this distance is going to be? Tell me. This distance is small r, perpendicular distance. Okay, wow. Origin length we need to put it over here. Okay, wow. Guys, this is 2D, right? 2D geometry, right? Why am I writing 0, 0? 0, 0. Sir, paid batches la 3D geometry poetry kida. So 0, 0, 0 I wrote by mistake. Okay, wow. Origin is the centroid. Sir, for small r ena sir, perpendicular distance da. Perpendicular distance formula theriyuma theriyada. Sir, 0, 0 podano. Very good, sir. Divided by square root of 2. Okay, wow. So r is equal to what? 3 by root 2. R is equal to 3 by root 2. Okay, wow. Sir, ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் சார். இப்போ நீங்க கரெக்டா பாத்தீங்கன்னா this. Okay, what is this? Total 60 degrees because of the equilateral triangle. This is going to be 30 degrees. This is an equilateral triangle da. So angle at vertex ABC enna 60 degrees. Super sir. Super sir. If 60 degrees. Now can I apply sin theta? Sin theta. Sin theta. Sin 30 is what? Opposite by what? This is capital R da. This is capital R. Why capital R? Because this is the circumcircle. Circumcircle or radius. For the center irunda. Center na idanada. Idana capital R. So this is capital R is the radius of the circumcircle. So this should be capital R. Super na, super A, super sir. Sir, sin 30 is 1 by 2 sir. R by capital R sir. What is R sir? Root 3 by 2. Va anna va. Look at the board everyone. Root 2 times of R. Are re. Chintu. Root 2 R is equal to 6 sir. Sir, R is equal to what sir? 3 root 2. Check. Yes or no? Super ana, super. 3, 2, 2. Yes. Okay. Capital R is equal to this. Okay. Otherwise, I can do one thing, sir. I can do one thing. Why do we have to do all this? Listen. Why do we have to do all this? Check. Capital R is equal to 2 times of R. Super ana. Super A, super sir. Okay. What I need to find out? We need to find out small r plus capital R. Okay. Well, small r plus capital R is going to be what? Tell me. 2r plus 1r, which is 3r, which is nothing but 3 into r. R is what? Root 3 by 2, which is 9 by root 2, which is 9 by root 2. 9 by root 2 is answer. 9 by root 2 is answer. Any doubts? Any doubt? Tell me, guys. 9 by 2 is answer. Super, sir. Okay, very good, sir. Very good. Next we'll talk about few important points, sir. Jadagam of parallelogram, very important. Jadagam of parallelogram na, jadagam of rhombus na, jadagam of trapezium na. Okay, va. Jadagam of cyclic quadrilateral na. These are the very important points da. Konja basics da, but romba important. Sariya. Okay, va. Paathikalama. Jadagam. First jadagam, sir. Sir, first ninga or parallelogram draw panunga, sir. Okay, why the parallelogram? Super na, super A, super sir. Everyone. This is the diagonal. Okay, and this is another diagonal. Wa anna wa. Everyone, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Everybody, yes sir. Sir, now if I have to learn step by step, check. Point number 1, sir. Parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Super, sir. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Kandipa. Okay, well, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. A and C are equal here. Are you getting the point? Or tell me. A and C are equal and B and D are equal. Next, sum of adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Kandipa. Sum of adjacent angles A and B. What a sum pathina 180 degrees arrow. Sum of adjacent angles is going to be 180 degrees. Okay, va. So next, diagonals are not equal but bisect each other. Very important. Diagonals AC and B are not equal, but they will bisect each other. Okay, va. They bisect each other. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Okay, they bisect each other, which means in the angle will be same. Are you getting the point? Angle between these two diagonals will be same. Bisecting means what? Are you getting the point? Yes, diagonal does not bisect the angles. Sir, what do you mean by this? Diagonal not bisect the angles. Sir, in the point when you confuse, diagonals are not equal, but they are bisecting each other. They are bisecting each other. This, are you getting the point or not? This angle is, they are bisecting each other, which means in the diagonal, in the angle will be same. Are you getting the point? They are bisecting each other at the middle. That is for sure. But diagonal does not bisect the angles, which means this is not equal to this. Are you getting the point? in the vertex கிட்ட இருக்கிற angle it will not bisect. It will not bisect the angle at the vertex. Okay va? Check now pari. So diagonals are not perpendicular. 100% yes. Diagonals, this is not perpendicular here. Okay va? People will think that AD is perpendicular to BC. Sorry, AC is perpendicular to BD. That is not perpendicular, guys. So be careful. AD is not. I mean AC is not perpendicular to BD here. Kandipa. So sum of squares of sides of parallelogram is equal to sum of squares of the diagonal. Sum of squares of sides of parallelogram is equal to sum of squares of diagonal. Sir, that is everyone look at the board. That is what? Sir, AB square plus BC square. Check. AB square length is CD square. So AB square and CD square both are same. So 2 times you are adding it, right? So 2 times. BC oda length and AD oda length is same. So 2 times is equal to what, sir? Is equal to what? AC oda square plus BD oda square. Hope everybody is clear the point. Hello, Chintu. Yes sir, no ra Chintu? Yes sir. Very good. Hope everybody is understanding this. So this will be equal to this. Okay, wow. Are you getting the point? Yes or no? Clear or not? Tell me. Sir, where we have to use this formula? Where formula? Which formula? Whenever this kind of things will come, you have to use that into. Okay. Diagonals does not bisect the angle. Diagonal are not equal, but they bisect each other. So this length will be equal to this length. This length will be equal to this length. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. This length will be equal to this length. You can say this. Okay, what? This length and this length, diagonals bisect each other means what? See, this angle, I mean, they are not bisecting the angle. My bad, guys. I told ulta. Listen, guys, these two sides will be equal. Idu equal. And this side and this side will be equal. But diagonals are not gonna bisect at the vertices. So which means the angle between the diagonals will not be bisected, which means they will not be split in equal pieces. But diagonals are not equal, bisect each other. They are bisecting each other, fine. Diagonal are not perpendicular. These are not perpendicular. Kandipa. Diagonals are not equal, but they bisect each other. Check. Diagonal does not bisect the angles at the vertex. Here they will not bisect the angles here, but they are bisecting here. And this length is not equal. So these diagonals are not perpendicular. Detail of points soliyachida. So pari. So this is how the Jadagam of. This is the Jadagam of parallelogram. What is this? Jadagam of parallelogram. Very important. Jadagam of parallelogram. Next, you need basic point. The basic. Next, Jadagam of rhombus. So Jadagam of rhombus, sir. Guys, rhombus is a inner case. Rhombus is sub case. Okay, wow. Sub case means what? Okay, parallelogram lo or chinna sub case. Okay, wow. Or internal part is what rhombus. Okay, wow. Rhombus basically pathina pari. Guys, all sides are equal to here. Rhombus eppadi irukona pari. I'll just show it to you here. This is rhombus. Okay, wow. This is how the rhombus looks like. This is Kunjan rhombus. Okay, wow. Okay, this is rhombus. Purida. Okay, let's say A, B, C, D. Okay, see, everything will be equal here. Are you getting the point? Check, all the sides are equal here. All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel, obviously. Diagonals are not equal, but they bisect each other perpendicularly. Okay, well, they bisect each other perpendicularly, which means angle between them is 90 degrees. Angle between them is 90 degrees. Angle between them is 90 degrees. Yes or no? Purida ellarkum. Yes or no? Angle between them is 90 degrees. Super, sir. Diagonals bisect the angles. Yes, they will bisect the angles, which means this angle will be equal to this angle. Purida, this angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle. Purida. Yes or no? this side will be equal to, all the sides are equal, this side is equal, this side is equal, this side is equal, this side, and opposite sides are parallel. Super, yes or no? You are the Chintu sir, students were talking about you in my school. Yes, Naveen, this is Chintu sir. This is me. People call me Chintu. Yes, Polama next day. Yes. Sir, next trapezium. Jadagam of trapezium. Jadagam of trapezium. Sir, trapezium, sir, basically, how the trapezium looks like. This is trapezium. Okay, but trapezium will be looking like this. This is trapezium. Trapezium, basically, one set of sides will be parallel. A, B, C, D. Okay, but this side, check. Here CD and AB will be parallel. Okay, well, AB and CD is one set of sides. They are parallel. Chintu. Yes, sir. So trapezium. Trapezium, the name like trapezium. Diagram will be looking like this. Only one set of sides. Only one set of opposite sides are parallel. One set of opposite sides are parallel. Area venuna. What is the area basically? Area venuna half into distance between the parallel sides. Half into distance between the parallel sides into sum of the parallel sides. Sir, what does it mean, sir? Sir. Area, always, guys, you remember these are the results. Okay, you remember these are the results. We can prove all this very easily, but this is not the right time to prove and learn. JEE is nearing. Okay, now this is a backlog series. Idellame neenga revise panni tap lot of PYQs pota da namalukku confidence varunda. So in the proof or formula oda proofs ellame solve panna romba lengthy poirum, adu vena enna thevayo adha padikanum. Okay, so please listen. Yes, sir, area what is area here? Okay, let me write area angra. Let me write here, sir, half into, let's say, the h, distance between the parallel side is h, and into sum of the parallel side, which means AB plus CD. AB plus CD. Anna va. Listen the class, Chintu. Oh. Okay, check. Half into h into AB plus CD. Area of the trapezium is half into height into AB plus CD. That is area. Okay, next. Sir, length of the line joining midpoints of non-parallel side is equal to half of the sum of the parallel sides. Sir, what does it mean, sir? Purila, sir. That is, listen the class. Either meaning that is length of the midpoint of the non-parallel sides, which means, guys, these are the midpoints. Either midpoint. Correct, ada? Okay. See, you wrote a midpoint in the midpoints. In the midpoint, let's say E is F. Okay, midpoint is what basically length of line joining the midpoints of the non-parallel sides. AD and CB is non-parallel sides. Your midpoint or a length. Okay, that is EF is equal to half into sum of the parallel side, which is AB plus CD. Okay, AB plus CD length sum panni adala half panna namalku EF vandrum. So that is what the property da. Very similar. Okay, and next one more important point enna pathina. Okay, Okay, Chintu. Look at the board, Chintu. Sir, isosceles trapezium is cyclic quadrilateral. Isosceles trapezium is cyclic quadrilateral. So what does it mean? Manivel, good afternoon. Manivel, good to see you here. Okay, So they're also telling that you sing Tum Hi Ho song. Yes, we do sing, but thing is that Tum Hi Ho song pinadi or periya meaning irukku. Okay, it's not like the one which you are thinking. Are you getting the point? And the meaning kadayadra. Meaning na JEE related or meaning irukda. Tum Hi Ho song plus JEE preparation is a perfect combination. Yes. Okay, Yes, Manibel, I'm new to Vedantu. Welcome, welcome, da, welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Vedantu, man. Good to see you, bro. Yes. Yeah. Yes. You keep following, keep following, keep following. You will be getting solid content for the JEE preparation. Just attend the classes, do everything what we say, 110%. Nobody can stop you from cracking the exam. This is the promise. You understand, Manivel? Yes. Listen the class, Manivel. Length of the line joining. See, in the EF length venuna, half into AB plus CD panna namalukku length of the midpoints of the non-parallel sides of a trapezium vandrum. Suresh A. JEE 2028. Yes, Suresh. Hi, Suresh. Sir, isosceles trapezium is cyclic quadrate. Isosceles trapezium na sir. Isosceles trapezium is, I'll tell you, wait. Sir, in the two non-parallel sides, length will be equal to, I'll just tell you here. Isosceles trapezium will be like this. Isosceles trapezium meaning enna pari. First, idhukku munnadi we need to draw one circle. Okay, va. Isosceles trapezium, you can see the circle, right? Okay, why this is isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means what's up basically? This A, this B, this C, this D. Cyclic quadrilateral means, I'll tell you, don't worry. Isosceles trapezium is nothing but this length and this length will be same. Okay, wow. This length and this length will be same. Okay, wow. AD or length and BC or length will be same, and sum of the opposite angles, this two will be same actually. This, I mean, not same. B and D or angle sum panna namalku 180 degrees vandarum. Okay, wow. B angle and D angle sum panna namalku 180 degrees varunda. C angle and A angle add panna namalku 180 degrees vandrumra. Chintu, very good, sir. Very good. Sir, isosceles trapezium now basically is non-parallel sides, so the lengths will be equal. Isosceles, I'm saying. Okay, well, that is cyclic quadrilateral. That is cyclic quadrilateral. Yes or no? Sir, what is the connection? Sir, what is the connection? Which connection? I'll tell you the connection later, man. Okay. Ha. First, listen to the class. Which book to study? Which book to study for best JEE? JEE itself best, the man. JEE itself best, and best JEE you are saying. Okay, I understood your question, just joking. Now listen, best book, I would say, like, follow the class notes properly, solve your NCERT, everything properly, and okay, now solve whatever the DPPs I'm giving it to you. Now post பண்ற DPPs எல்லாமே solve பண்ணி, and last 5 to 6 years of PYQ solve பண்ணி, that itself will become solid preparation. So you don't have to do anything extra. Class notes, revise it again and again. DPPs, whatever the DPPs we give, plus NCERT is very important. Okay, plus your JEE last year 5 to 6 years of PYQs. If you solve panna, va mari you can crack the exam. Yes, sir. I'm state board, no problem. State board book analo, you have straight line chapter in your textbook, right? You can follow that. Sorry, sir. So next, sir, Jadagam of cyclic quadrilateral, sir. Jadagam of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, wow. So cyclic quadrilateral na basically pari. Cyclic quadrilateral is nothing but what basically pari. Cyclic quadrilateral is nothing but inside the triangle there will be one. Inside the triangle there will be one. Inside the circle there will be one quadrilateral. Everybody look at the board. Chintu. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, wow. So cyclic, sum of the opposite angles will be 180 degrees. Sum of the opposite angles will be 180 degrees, sir. This is the first point. Okay, wow. And then listen the class. There is one theorem called Ptolemy's theorem. Okay, sum of the products of the opposite sides are equal to product of the diagonals. This is also very important. Sometimes we'll use in the questions. Okay, wow. Yes or no, listen to the class. Cyclic quadrilateral is nothing but what basically A order sum and C oda angle. Angles oda sum pathina 180 degrees irukonu. Paru. So that is angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, next angle B plus angle D oda sum 180 degrees. Puridada? Yes or no? Super ana, super sir. Okay, in the rendu sum B and D equal to, I mean B and D angles oda sum 180 aganu, A and C oda angle oda sum enna 180 aganu. Sariya? Sir, now sum of the products sum of the products products of opposite sides to the product of the diagonal. Product of the diagonals means what, sir? Ido diagonal, sir. Va anna va. Ido diagonal, sir. Va anna va. Sir, sum of the opposite sides is what, sir? AB plus CD is equal to what? AC into BD, sir. Okay, va? Yes or no? Sum of the products of opposite, sum of the product of opposite sides, right? Very good, sir. Sum of product, right? I wrote wrongly, man. Wait. Sum of products AD into BC. AD into BC. Sum of products of opposite sides. Yes, opposite sides. Okay, sum of products. So AB into CD. AB into CD is equal to what? Product of the diagonals. Product of the diagonals means what, sir? AC into BD. Yes or no? Tell me, guys. This is what I'm saying. Sum of the opposite sides for AD into BC. Sum of product of opposite sides AD into BC plus AB into DC. Either your sum will be equal to what? The product of the diagonals. Okay, you just need to remember this theorem as well. Very, very important. Okay, guys. Now one beautiful question. We'll do one small kutti question. Very interesting. Listen the class. Sir, alpha, beta, gamma, delta belongs to integers. And A point given, B point given, C point given, and D point is also given. These are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. AB oda length on the root 10 kuduthirukanga. And the points A and C lie on the line this. Then 2 times of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta n. Sir, simple question. Listen the class. This is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral, right? This is a quadrilateral means what, sir? Firstly, you say this is A, this is B, C, D. Super and super. These are the diagonals which are right. Super, sir. This is the midpoint, right? What is A point? Alpha beta. B n 1 comma 0. C n gamma comma delta. D n 1 comma 2. Super, sir. Sir, what is M point? Tell me here. Midpoint. M is what? A midpoint. M is going to be what? A midpoint of. M is equal to what? A midpoint of BD. Okay, sir. Midpoint of BD means what? A 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 and 2 plus 0 by 2, which is equal to what? 1 comma 1. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Now M is midpoint, guys. This M is the midpoint for AC also, right? Okay, M is equal to what? The same midpoint. Midpoint of AC. AC means what? Alpha plus gamma by 2 is equal to 1. Super ana. Next, beta plus delta by 2 is equal to 1. Check. Alpha plus gamma is equal to 2. Beta plus delta is equal to 2. Correct or not? Tell me. Yes or no? In alpha plus gamma, beta plus delta is equal to 2 given, right? Check. Alpha plus gamma in 2 into alpha plus gamma is 2. Beta plus delta is also 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 into 2, 8. 8 is the right answer. So option D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Super. Yes or no? Tell me. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Cool? Yes sir, no? Yes sir. So then why did they give this, sir? A and C are lying along this line. Here A and C lying along this line. Then why did they give this? Time pass. That is not even required, guys. If you solve this way, that is not required. If you solve to find out alpha, beta and all, then it is required. But we are not going that method. We are going with this method, so that is not required. Which is not required? The equation is not required. But directly I am getting, there is no need of this equation at all. Correct? Shall we go forward? So which book? Again and again you are asking the same question. I already told, man, state book na same. Yes or no? Shall we go forward? 100% yes sir. Clear? Clear. Next. Sir, next, perpendicular distance of a point from a line. Perpendicular distance of a point from a line. Sir, perpendicular distance or shortest distance, whatever they ask in the exam, we always have to use the same formula. Sir, what does it mean, sir? Inga point irukkum, sir. The point name on the x1 comma y1 they will be giving you, and this is the line they will be giving us. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, sir. Namalku in the distance find out pannanum paru. In the distance find out pandradhukku, what I need to do, listen the class. In the distance kandipidikkanum. We need to find out d distance. Okay, va? Are you clear da? Yes sir. What we need to find out? D. Okay, when the d means what's the distance, and the d means in the point idhula substitute panna ax1 plus by1 plus c with mod divided by square root of the coefficient of a square plus b square. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me yes or no, my dear chintus. Correct or not? Tell me da. In the point idhula substitute panna namalukku perpendicular distance எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து ஒரு லைனுக்கு நடுவுல இருக்கிற டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்றதுக்கு எப்பவுமே இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? if they ask you to find out shortest distance between a point and line, na இந்த ஃபார்முலா தான் அப்ளை பண்ணணும். perpendicular distance ஆனாலும் இந்த ஃபார்முலா தான் அப்ளை பண்ணணும். சரியா? சூப்பர் சார். So ஒரு example when we can take any example. Let's say 2, 3 is a point. Okay va? Let's say the point called 2, 3. Okay. So in the line enna let's say the 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Distance venna eppadi apari 6 plus 12 plus 5 divided by what da? Square root of 9 plus 16. This is equal to distance. Okay va? In the distance is what basically 18. 23 by 5. This is the distance. Okay va? Example. This is an example. Cool? Any doubts? Simple. In the point idhula substitute pannanum. X and y place la 2, 3 pota 6 plus 12 plus 5 18, 23 by 5. Clear? Very simple sir. Next, ஒரு question பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Yes. பாரு, ஒரு question solve பண்ண நம்மளுக்கு ஐடியா வந்துரும் நீட்டா. Sir, ஒரு question, listen. Hello everyone. Sir, A be the set of all the points such that area of the triangle formed by the points this and this is 12 square units. Then the least possible length of line joining, least possible length of the line segment joining the origin to the point A. Sir, in A point enna theriyadu sir. Enakku enna menu the set of all the points of A, sorry, set of all the points alpha comma beta such that area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 12. So A is what basically set of all the values of alpha comma beta. Okay, what is set? Set A is basically what they have given alpha comma beta such that area of triangle ABC is equal to 12 given. This is what they have given. This is given part. Purida? This is the given part. Yes or no? Listen class. Sir, area of the triangle, when now we know this. We know that area of the triangle, right? Half times of magnitude of. Okay. Magnitude kulla half ulla determinant. Determinant means what? All x coordinates we need to write. Alpha 6, 2 and beta. This 1, 1, 1. Va anna va. Listen to the class. This is 12 square units. Sir, ipo வெளியே இருக்கிற mod, வெளியே இருக்கிற bars, வெளியே இருக்கிற lines வந்து magnitude, உள்ள இருக்கிற lines வந்து determinant. சூப்பர் அண்ணா, சூப்பர் சார். சார் இப்போ இந்த 2 இந்த சைடு ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணா என்ன வந்துடும் சார்? what I'm going to get? It will be plus or minus 24, removing the mod, right? Open the determinant, 5 into 2 minus beta minus 6 into 3 minus alpha plus 1 into 3 beta minus 2 alpha is equal to plus or minus 24, sir. Why plus or minus 24 da? Sir, for example, mod x is equal to a irunda, x is equal to plus or minus a dana vandrum. Yes or no? In the 2 cross multiply airunda, so 2 into 24, so 2 into 12, 24 airum. That's why 24. In the modulus, remove panni, chuma x eladununa, in the modulus on the side shift airunda, and the modulus shift pandrapo, you need to write plus or minus. Correct or not? Super, sir. Huh. Okay. Simply directly 6 alpha minus 2 alpha, 4 alpha. Super, sir. Minus 5 beta plus 3 beta, minus 5 beta. So plus minus 2 beta. Va anna va. Sir, inga pathina correcta pare. Yes. Plus or minus 24, sir. Okay, va. I'm just taking 2 common. 2 common edutha namalukku plus or minus 12 will come. I'm getting 2 equations here. I'm getting 2 equations. If I'm getting 2 equations, we are having what now? Tell me. 2 alpha minus beta plus 12 one time. 2 alpha minus beta is equal to minus 12 one time. We have 2 possibilities here. Yes or no? Yes, Mithu Selvi. Tell me, Mithu Selvi. How can I help you? How can I help you? How can I help you? Tell me. Sir, you missed the constant, sir. You missed the constant. What constant we missed? Check. We missed one constant. Sir, the 10 minus 8. Okay. 10 minus 8. Minus 8. I missed minus 8 here. Wait. Minus 8 miss. Minus 8 miss. Here minus 8 will come. Minus 8 plus. Okay. Now solve panni pari. So 2 common edutha 2 alpha minus beta minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 12. Okay, va. Sir, if I take plus and minus, you will be getting 2 cases. Now, we will cases pari. One case with plus 24, one case is, one case is with plus 12, one case is with minus 12. So 2 alpha minus beta minus 4 is equal to 12. 2 alpha minus beta minus 4 is equal to minus 12. So it simplify panna namalukku 2 alpha minus beta minus 16 is equal to 0. This simplify panna namalukku 2 alpha minus beta minus plus 8 is equal to 0. We got 2 equations. Sir, alpha comma beta is lying on the one side of the triangle. Sir, now sides means I can write in terms of x and y, pari. So what are the sides? Sides of triangle, pari. Sides of triangle can be what? 2x minus y minus 16 is equal to 0, and or it can be even like this, 2x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0, either this or this. Now what I need to find out now, we need to find out the least possible length of line segment joining the origin to the point A. Super, sir. Okay, wow. Point A. Which means in fact this solve panna namalku alpha beta vandrunda, but I don't want to do that. This will be satisfying to one of the sides, sir. Least possible length means what? Origin length will take the distance. That's it. Least possible length. What I'm doing? Least possible length. Least possible length. Least possible length means what, sir? Origin to this distance, or origin to this distance. Origin side is 0, 0. Let us take this line. What is this da? Is a perpendicular distance. So that is it simplify panna na undunu pare. 16 divided by square root of 3 in the distance. Check. Origin substitute panna modulus kulla minus 16 modulus ku veliye vandiruchina plus 16 divided by root 3. So root 5, sorry. Root 5, sir. Okay, next, if I take this equation, you are getting this. Now, if I take this equation, what I am going to get? Is origin da. So 2x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0 in the distance. Okay, in the distance when 8 divided by square root of 5 in the distance. Let's say the d1 and the d2 da. So d2. Okay, wow. 8 by root 5 is least, it seems. 8 by root 5 is the least. 8 by root 5 is the least distance. Do you agree with my point? 8 by root 5 is the least distance. So 8 by root 5 is the right answer. D for Delhi Baba. 16 by root 5 kadayad. This is not a least distance. This is a least. 8 by root 5 is coming, then 16 by root 5. So 8 by root 5 is the answer. Minus 18 enga miss aitrikada. Where minus 18? It's not minus 18. It's not minus 18. So D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Pari. It's correct only, matching. Guys, we should not take this distance. We should not take this distance. Idu vena. Idu accept panna kudadu. Idu accept panna. Because this is the least one. Correct? Sarvanan ji, good evening ji, good evening, good evening, good evening. So minus 8 is missing. Where minus 8 is missing, man? Yes or no? %, yes. Next, another famous type of question. Shall we go forward? Yes. Guys, you need to try this question. I'm giving this as a homework. Listen the class. Everybody should try this question. In the question, you can try panna. Let A, B, C respectively denote the centroid, circumcenter, orthocenter of the triangle. Then the distance of the point P from the line this measured parallel to the line. This is a very good question and very important. Okay, wow. This is like Janda ke Baba question. Janda ke Baba question. Janda ke Baba question. Sir, enna sir? What does it mean, sir? Which means very, very important. Chintu. Okay, wow. Sir, firstly, they have given for A, B, C are basically respectively denote what? A, B, C denoting what? Centroid, circumcenter, orthocenter. Okay. We know that Honorable Governor. This will be in 2:1 ratio. Correct or not? G will divide orthocenter and circumcenter in 2:1 ratio. Yes. Okay, wow. Sir, if you correct everybody listen to the class. Sir, which is A is what basically centroid. This is A comma beta. Circumcenter is what? B point. This is circumcenter is 3 comma 4. This is orthocenter. Correct or not? C is orthocenter and B is the circumcenter. A is the centroid. Very good, sir. Sir, mx2. In a point where internal section. I mean internal division formula. Sectional formula I'm applying. Internal division, external division formula. Remember Ilya? Do you remember that or not? Sir, I failed in 𝐂𝐤𝐬 interview. It is totally fine, bro. It's totally fine. Work hard. mx2 nx1 divided by m plus n. Wow, now B point na m by 2 minus 8 by 3. Sir, A value 0, sir. B value 0, sir. A point is 0, B point is also 0, sir. Super, sir. A point is also 0, B point is also 0. Correct? So if A point is 0 is nothing but what a P point. Then therefore P is going to be what? P point is what? 0, comma 0. Sorry. 2A is 0. So 3, comma 5 is the P point. A, comma B. 0, comma 0. One A pota no 2 into 0 plus 3. 7 into 0 plus 5. So 3, comma 5 is the P point. Okay, wow. Sir, then the distance of the point P from the line. There is another line. Listen the class. Distance of the point P from this line. Which line? This line. Measured parallel, right? So there is a line called this. I'll just do one thing. I'll write the point here. Point P is 3, comma 5. Point P is 3, comma 5. Okay, distance of the point P from this line. This line is what basically, let me take this line is like this. There is one line like this. Okay, in the line name in Nada, this line name is what? 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, wow. We need to find out this distance. In the distance we want to find out. This distance we need to find out. In the distance we know. Oh, 1 minute raching to. P what we got 3,5. எப்படி 3,5 டா? இதுல இருந்து check. P is what basically 3,5 வந்துரும். Okay, in the distance of point P from this line, this distance is basically measured parallel to this line. Oh my goodness. Sir, then we need to draw the diagram konjam reverse. Okay, wow. Yes. The distance is measured parallel to this line. So this is the point P. Okay. This is the point P. This distance is measured parallel to this line. Okay, wow. There is another line. Another line. In the line oda name enna idu. Check. Purida na solradhu guys. This distance is basically measured parallel to this line. So the line oda equation enna kuduthirukanga da x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, which means that now this point and this point I do not know this. Let us say this point is Q. This is a very good question da. Very famous, very good question. P point is the Q point is da. In the distance should be measured along this line. Along this line is parallel to this line, which means that I need to find out Q point. Q point venuna eppadi find out pannanum? Q point find out panna eppadi find out pannanum? Tell me. Distance of the point P measured along this line. Q point is lying on this. Okay. Now look at the board. Look at the board. Equation of PQ. So the equation of PQ we can write. So what is equation of PQ, sir? Everybody look at the board. Equation of PQ. Can I write equation of PQ? Eppadi, sir? Y minus y1 is equal to slope of this PQ is what basically slope of this. What is the slope of this guy? What is the slope of this line? Tell me that into slope and 1/2, sir. Slope is 1/2 or not? Tell me minus a by b. No problem. Class 12 ready, Babu. Sir, I will come to your home. Okay. Chintu. Sir, but my friend with Gemini AI answers got selected, sir. Oh. Hey, it's okay, you focus on your work, man. It's fine. Okay, so y minus y1, right? So equation of this, what is this da? So y minus y1 is equal to slope, and what is the slope da? 1/2 into x minus x1. Super, Anna, super. Now I'm going to give this homework only, don't worry. Okay, either equation. Now tell me here. Q point is what? Q point is what? For Q is what? For Q, let us take this is an equation number 1 da. This is equation number 1. This is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. Correct or not? Tell me. So what is 1 here? Q is lying on this line. I got PQ. PQ line over there. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. You will get Q point. You will get Q point. Q point. Something comma something on through. Yes or no? Then we need to find out PQ distance. PQ distance find out panna. You will get some answer. C for Chintu is coming. Everybody should do it. Second equation என்ன representing da PQ ஓட line. PQ line segment. எனக்கு இந்த equation தெரியும்டா. Q என்னடா? Tell me. இந்த green line and yellow color line ஓட point of intersection தானா? Green line equation என்ன இது? Yellow line equation already கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. சரியா? So இந்த yellow line green line solve பண்ணா Q வந்துரும். So that and this solve பண்ணா Q வந்துரும்டா. PQ distance we need to do. Yes or no? Super, sir. Very good. Okay, sir, next concept, sir. Distance between the parallel lines. 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 Okay, so firstly, what we need to do basically, coefficient of x and y in both equations should be same. Okay, distance between parallel lines concept and distance between parallel lines concept. For example, I'm talking about two lines. Let's say this line is this. This line is what? L1. L1 is what? A1x. I mean ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, sir. Next, let me say another line L2. What is this? Ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Sir, yeah. This line is parallel to this line. We need to find out this distance. In the distance, we are simple. Coefficient, I mean constant or difference divided by coefficient of a square plus b square with the square root. Yes or no? This is what your distance. Now solve the purida. In the distance where C1 minus C2 with modulus divided by A square plus B square with the square root. Sariya? Yes or no, Chintu, tell me. Yes or no? Absolutely yes. Clear idea? Super sir. Super ra Chintu. How many hours to study to crack JEE 2027? You study as much as you can, but study minimum 4 hours every day after your school hours. Sariya? Very good sir. Sir, for example, we will understand this. Let's say I'm giving any one equation. Let's say x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a line 1 equation. Okay, wow. Line 2, let's say you are saying 4x plus 4y plus 24 is equal to 0. Correct or not? So we need to make the coefficient of, let's say then 8. Okay, but distance between these two lines. Obviously, correct apart. Slopes are equal. If a slope is -1, L1 or slope is -1, L2 or slope is -1, minus A by B. Yes or no? So distance between these two lines. Coefficient of x and y should be same in the line equation. So can I write line 1 as, tell me, if I multiply 4 on both sides, what I am going to get at 24 is equal to 0. If I distance, you need to find out. Adena sir. C1 minus C2 or C2 minus C1, anything works. Divided by square root of 4 is square root of 4 square is 16 plus 16, 32. How much da? 16 divided by root 32. If you want to solve this, you solve this. This is the answer. That's it. This is the answer. If you want to simplify, breaking 16 as 4 root 2, you can split that. Okay, wow. Eppadi sir? 16 by 4 root 2. 4 ones 4. So 4 by root 2. 4 by root 2 can be written as what? 2 root 2. Check. Yes or no? Two root is the right answer. Distance is what? Basically 2 root 2. Distance between the parallel lines is 2 root 2. Distance between the parallel lines is 2 root 2. Purida ellarkum? Yes or no? Sir, we divided by 4 in the equation will be same. Yes, you can do that also. No problem. Yes, Shiva bro, yes. What is your name, man? Okay. Yes, sir. Any doubt till this? Yes, sir. Guys, next, position of a point with respect to the line, point of concurrency, image and foot of perpendicular. Okay, wow. All this I will be discussing in the next class. Okay, wow. Guys, you might be thinking that why sir you are taking in different parts. Apdi different part la edutha da we will be able to finish all the things. We are not doing one shots now. Sariya? So whenever we are doing one shot or long videos we will try to do all in one lecture. But ipo idu pandradhukku what we need to do? We basically have to split those subtopics and cover. Apdi pannada namalku vandruda. Okay, wow. Yes guys, so that's it for today. We'll meet you guys in the next class. Any doubts? Any doubt, Ra? Chintu? Yes, no doubt, sir. Yes, guys, that's it for today. And now look at the board, everyone. Guys, wait. I'll discuss one small concept. Point of concurrency we'll discuss and we'll finish. Sir, point of concurrency is basically, pari? Yes or no? Point of concurrency is, sir. Concurrency is nothing but basically for lines passing through the same point. Let me say these 3 lines. These are the 3 lines, L1, L2, L3. Correct or not? L1, L2, L3 are the 3 lines. Let us say these 3 lines. Okay, wow. Sir, condition for the point of intersection of any 2 lines lie on the third is going to be what basically, or vice versa you can say. Vice versa is not true basically, okay. Vice versa is not true. I know. Point of intersection of any 2 lines lie on the third, or you can say chuma this determinant of x coefficient, determinant of what? All the x coordinates. X coefficients is the column number 1, y coefficients வந்து நம்மளோட column 2, constants வந்து நம்மளோட column 3. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Yes or no? Sir, இவரோட determinant 0 பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன வந்துரும்? இது determinant Chintu. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Sir, why are you playing, sir? I'm not playing, sir. Look at the board. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. If your determinant equal to 0 panna, you will be getting the point of concurrency. Sir, one more thing basically, sir, is it equation number 1, sir? Is equation number 2, sir? Is equation number 3, sir? Either any two equations solve panna namalukku point of intersection vandrum, sir. And the point of intersection will be lying on the third line. Yes, 100% yes. If 1 and 2 solve panna point of intersection vandrum, and the point of intersection will be lying on the third side. Or 2 and 3 solve panna namalukku point of intersection vandrum, and the point of intersection will be lying on the first line. Sir, repeat it, sir. This is how the lines will be. This is how the line will be. All the three lines are meeting at one point. All the three lines are meeting at one point. Is L1, is L2, is L3. L1, L2, L3. All of these three lines are meeting at one point. This is called P. In the P venuna, any two lines you solve, that P will be lying on the third line automatically. But vice versa is not true. Okay, wow. The point which is lying on the point which is lying on L3, that may not be the intersection of L1, L2. Sir, vice versa enna sir. இப்போ L1, L2 solve பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு P வந்துருச்சு சார், நல்லா இருக்கு. And the P will be definitely lying on L3. And the P point L3 ல போட்டா நம்மளுக்கு satisfy ஆயிரும். But if I take reverse, if I take any point on L3, let's say you're taking some point on L3, that L3 will not be point of intersection of L1 and L2. That's what vice versa is nothing but. Point of intersection of any two lines lie on the third, 100% correct. Or in the determinant is equal to 0. Vice versa is not true. Vice versa not true is nothing but any point on L3 will not be, may or may not be the point of intersection of L1 and L2. So adu purinjukoda. Locus means what? I will discuss locus also. Locus ko separate ana concept, or locus I'll tell you, I'll take separate class for that locus. Okay, wow. Yes. Very good. So that's it. That's it for today. Please listen. Okay, guys, உங்களுக்கு class notes வேணும்னா இந்த class notes, இந்த lectureோட notes, ஓகேவா, இந்த lectureோட notes and latest on updates வேணும்னா கண்டிப்பா இந்த QR code join பண்ணி, இந்த QR code scan பண்ணி Telegram groupல join பண்ணிக்கோங்கடா. Okay, so you'll be getting latest updates and all. So in the Telegram group only, please do join by scanning the QR code and the link இருக்கு. சரியா? Very good. Sir, and மறக்காம subscribe பண்ணுக்கோங்க. Please do share with your friends. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We'll meet you people in the next class. Until then, ta-da, bye-bye, good night, have a nice day. Love you all, my dear chintos. Va anna va.